Now let's compare that to our cold. Today, I don't know about you, but I'm like, ooh, it feels like winter. The sun didn't come out. In fact, it kind of looked like summer, right? Those low clouds out there lingering throughout the day. But look at that, 54 for Watsonville. We did see a few 60s, 61 for Soledad over to Big Sur, and that's because those were the only spots that saw a little bit of sun. In fact, King City to Greenfield, your highs were only 57 degrees because the clouds lingered for much of the day. So of course, when we put this into perspective compared to the rest of the country, not too bad. And you know what? We are going to warm up the next few days. More sunshine for the weekend. That was already anticipated. But honestly, I didn't think those clouds were going to linger as much as they did today. And now you can see we're still pretty cool. 50 degrees in Gilroy, 56 King City. And tonight we will be seeing some more clearing, still some fog lingering, but temperatures in the upper 30s for our cooler spots and then 50s possible near the coast. Now tomorrow I do expect more sun and temperatures back into the 60s, but overall looking like a pretty pleasant forecast, really seasonable conditions. Now we've been talking about the slight chance of showers and we have now added a slight chance of rain. Now it does not look impressive, but Salinas to Monterey, you have that slight chance of increased clouds, maybe cooler temperatures, but it still looks pretty warm as the system is expected to slide in from the west rather than the north. All that cold air is staying off towards our east. And so we do have shower chances now for Santa Cruz to the Santa Cruz Mountains. I have not added them to our inland communities as this looks like it may brush our northern and our coastal spots. And it's still 5 days out, so slight chance of showers middle of the week. This weekend, though, no rain, more sun, comfortable conditions, 60s returning.
Okay, thanks, Gina.